In this video we have listed the top 5 best rotary tool kit on existing market. We made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, durability, features, customer review and many more things.
Are you new viewers? You should connect with us clicking by subscribe button, then press the bell icon for next updates.
Best of 5. BEAUDENS Rotary Tool Kit with Flex Shaft. Ideal for cutting, sanding, grinding, drilling, carving and more, comes with a flexible hose for precision and professional works. Includes cutting wheels, cutting bits, stainless steel brush, sand wheels and more. It has 6 levels of rotation speed from 10,000 RPM to 32,000 RPM, ensures an optimal cutting result. Comes with a solid carry case to place the rotary tool and all the accessories. Built with a 3D heat radiation system to prevent the device from overheat. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. TACKLIFE Rotary Tool Kit Variable Speed. Comes with 80 accessories and 4 attachments. Flex shaft is for versatility of your project capabilities. Speed from 10,000 RPM to 3,200 RPM lets you set and adjust speed flexibly according to the work. Rubber over molded grips provide superior comfort and control. Cutting guide and multi-purpose cutting bit is for hollowing any shape on wood. Comes in a black solid case with a variety of accessories. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 3. WEN 2305 Rotary Tool Kit with Flex Shaft. Perfect for cutting, sanding, polishing, shaping, drilling, deburring, grinding and more. Variable speed goes anywhere from 8,000 to 30,000 RPM. Includes a 100-piece accessory set of bits, sanding discs, polishing pads, mandrels and more. Onboard spindle lock makes for quick and easy bit changes. Attach the included flex shaft for jobs requiring intricate detail and precision. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 2. WORKPRO Variable Speed Rotary Tool Kit. Electrical rotary tool with 104-piece accessories. 1x8-inch quick releasing collet, 6 shifts for different speed needs. No load speed, 8,000 to 35,000 RPM, power with 110 to 120 volts, 60 Hz, 1.4A. Great rotary tool for cutting, grinding, sanding, carving and polishing. Accessories universal fitment for use on all major brands. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 1. Dremel High Performance Rotary Tool Kit. Universal 3-jaw chuck fits the widest range of Dremel accessories. Rotating pivot light for optimal illumination. Powerful variable speed motor with electronic feedback for maximum performance in demanding applications. Cool running ball bearing construction for smooth and quiet operation. Replaceable motor brushes extend tool life. 2-year warranty with industry-leading customer support. Check the description for best price and details.